Hey everyone, it's Randy with MyScreenKit.net, of course KingofSolarScreens.com. Kind of standing at an angle. This property is just a few feet from the house, but I get asked a lot, is this one big window, two windows, three windows? And I thought this was a perfect example. I just finished installing this with an arch on top, two windows side by side. Another example is this one here, and this one here that is a little bit close now. But yes, you do not want to make that opening as one. I'm just telling you, you do not. It's a very unattractive thing. There's a much better chance that the wind's going to grab that and just rip it all to shreds. And you certainly won't be able to seal the bottom of it if you make all of that as one, so that you can open your windows and enjoy that fresh air without the bugs. Do yourself a favor. Make it two. In this case, a third one with the arch on top, which I thought was so gorgeous. Yep, and I handmade that yesterday. No, I didn't. Saturday. Yep, you guys be blessed.